Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your Netbeans version and backing up configuration. This prevents lost settings. Once done, launch Netbeans and open Tools then Plugins so you can install or enable theme support. Make sure to check the Available Plugins tab for Darkula or Dark Look and Feel entries. If you see them, select and install. If not present, you will add an update center or use a third-party plugin ZIP. This first step readies the IDE to receive a dark theme. Now you install and activate the Dark Look and Feel. You choose the Darkula or Dark LAF plugin and click Install, following prompts. Once installed, restart Netbeans so the new look loads correctly. After restart, go to Tools, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Appearance, Right Arrow Look and Feel, and select the dark theme. Apply and confirm. If you used a ZIP, add it under Plugins, Right Arrow Downloaded before installation. This step changes Window Chrome, editor background, and UI contrast to a comfortable dark palette. Finish by fine-tuning editor colors and fonts for readability. Go to Options, Right Arrow Fonts and Colors, and pick a dark profile or customize foregrounds for keywords and comments so syntax remains crisp. If some icons or dialogue stay light, clear the Netbeans cache and restart, or launch Netbeans with the laugh flag pointing to the installed Dark LAF. If issues persist, reset your userdir or reinstall the plugin. This usually resolves conflicts caused by legacy settings. One key tip: keep a backup of Netbeans conf before edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.